In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System, go to Languages and Input, and select Advanced. Here you will notice text-to-speech output, just mark it, and here you can smoothly personalize this feature. So if you'd like to change text-to-speech language, just click on Language and pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so you'll definitely find something suitable. And then you can smoothly change speed, rate, and pitch. So let me show you the default one.
Este es un ejemplo de síntesis de voz en español.
And if you would like to change pitch and also rate,
Este es un ejemplo de síntesis de voz en español.
you can smoothly do it. Then to go back to default options, just tap on Reset. And this is it. This is how you can manage text-to-speech feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.